Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you remove wrinkles, skin whitening, get fair, spotless and glowing skin, get bright skin naturally with very simple ingredients at home. This magical remedy works 100% and it whitens the skin tone naturally and will remove the wrinkles and the fine lines and will get you rid of sagging skin with this simple ingredients, my friends. Just 3 simple ingredients. It will work for you and you will get the best results ever. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see me, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload a new video you will be notified. And also give that video a like. And let's start the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Add 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Then, my friends, we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of rose water, يعني كي جلاب جل. Add 1 teaspoon. Then we need to add half teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use the natural aloe vera gel instead, but in that remedy the market aloe vera gel works wonders. So add half teaspoon of aloe vera gel and mix well all the ingredients. Once we get a cream paste like so, our magical remedy is ready. Now, my friends, apply it on your skin. Massage the skin with it like so. After massaging the skin with it for 5 minutes, leave it to dry out and then rinse it with lukewarm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, the result will amaze you. From first use, it whitens the skin tone naturally and it gets you bright, spotless skin with this simple ingredients, my friends.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you. And if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas. And also like those, that will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.